So guys, you just head over to Google. So once you click on Google, use this method to get your 4,000 watch hour, and then you type for OBS Studio. This particular method works like magic. In no time you get your 4,000 watch hour. So once you're done clicking, just search. As you can see, this particular first option yet is what we're actually going to be clicking to get our 4,000 watch hour. Guys, what I'm going to advise you for you to be able to benefit from this particular video is try not to skip, because every part in this video is, how should I put it, you need to understand. Yes, because I'm actually going to do a screen record so you guys can actually see and understand how everything is done, like the whole setup. In fact, I think I'm talking too much, and I also feel like I should not use my phone to do this screen record. I think I should switch to my laptop. Yeah, so I'm actually going to be switching to my laptop right now to show you guys how you can actually use this OBS Studio to gain your 4,000 watch hour in no time, guys. Very easy. Like, in fact, then let us go. So guys, you guys can check the link to this particular OBS Studio. It's going to be in the description. So after you're done clicking on the link, just click on settings. Yes, that's the next step. So it's going to bring you to this interface, and the next thing for you to do, just go to this part here that says stream. Click on it. So the next thing for you to do, this service, you click on it, then you choose YouTube RTMPS. So after you're done clicking on it, you can see they have two options: connect account, which is recommended, and use stream key advanced. So you're actually going to be using the connect account. So once you click on that, they will actually ask you to log in into your account, and you click on continue. Yeah, so once all of that is done, then your account is now connected. This part that says ignore streaming service setting recommendation, you have to tick on it. Yeah, so once you tick on it, then you just click on OK. Next. So immediately this window is actually going to pop up, and you can reconnect it for convenience. Yeah, so now let's set up the live stream. So the next thing here, click on manage broadcast. So it's going to give you this interface. You're going to see create new broadcast. This is where you can actually do your setup. You can see it right there popping up, create new broadcast. Here in the title, you can actually put your title you want to use in the live stream, put your description. Make sure it is public here, because you want your public, the category gaming, and then you put your thumbnail. Then for latency, make sure it's normal. After all of that is done, you just click on create broadcast here to actually go to the next phase. And for the category, you can put the category of your choice. Okay, so the next interface, this is what is going to pop out after you have done all of that. So for you to now progress further, you're actually going to click on this part here that says settings. If you look closely, let me zoom it so you guys can actually see. You click on settings. So the next thing for you to do, make sure the resolution is correct, as you can see displayed, and for here you choose 60 is the standard, and then the next thing, choose output. So for the output, just click on advanced, then you just click on X264. Make sure you follow this step to avoid making mistakes. And then if you look down, CBR, you can just, the way this settings is done, you can actually follow this step so you don't get to miss anything. Just the way I've done it, just follow my step. And for here, then I'll just click on OK. So guys, the next thing for you to do now, just click on start streaming. So once you click on start streaming, head over to YouTube, and then you can see that you're actually live. As you can see right displaying, this is actually live right now. So this is live. But if you want me to actually show you how you can actually stream a pre-recorded video, meaning a video you have recorded before but you just want to be streaming that particular video, let me know in the comment section so I can actually make that kind of video in my next video. But this one is actually showing how you can actually go live using OBS to gain your 4,000 watch hours. This particular method is very effective, and one of the benefits of using OBS to go live is that you can do other things. You know, when you're actually live on YouTube, you can't do other things with that phone or with that system. Like when you're live, you have to stay and remain on that live. But using OBS, once you're using OBS to live stream, you can actually go to home page, like you can do other things. Like it won't stop you from doing other things. The way you are getting your watch hours is not stopping you from actually doing your other activities with your device. So this one is actually showing you how you can go live and leave it for long hours. This one is for those of us that actually have work to do. You understand? You can just put it on, be doing your work, be pressing your phone, be like use your system. It will not stop being live. It will still be live unless you end it, unless you stop it, or if you disconnect your internet connection. So this particular method is actually very effective for people that have things that they are doing and they want to go live to build their watch hour. Yeah, and like I said earlier, if you want me to teach you how you can upload a pre-recorded video, maybe you don't want to just go live, you don't want to show the current thing that is happening right there, just let me know in the comment section so I can make that video as a subsequent video, which is going to be the next video following this one. If you find this video helpful, please do well to hit on the like button, please do well to share, and do well to comment if you have any issue, any concern. I'm going to be right there to assist you, to put you through in your step. I wish you success in gaining your 4,000 watch hour. This is Nneka. See you again in our next video. Bye guys.